gani desini tamak njuo tentam la fa kesi dan kela basila jang ni la muso sija muso basila jang yamul so na diata UDP ko ko dun diata ya feje fa poto yoto yamul so UDP de ko man de sam hani janni jang UDP yalante politique nya asali hata kan makam mu yalan ko be foy ajube fo UDP man ko
politique nya seniada bari kan endiro kala
ndese len tabajo ndebe ko bama ndiro ket
nga video play ja e bon bama ndiro ke bari ndiro kala imira ni ma son ndiro nga proof soto janga play
hani sign atandinna nga ndiro ta
ya ke dal okay problem dije sa nga video sa nga video itandi
okay kuma kilim bafale yaje president na munu musot de mo basi ala bulu bak president bara munu musot la ilaha illallah momu ya wada yaje da nini munu musot kambalo binare bafale poko anja jahono ni president bara munu musot sango sama sa musot sa momu ya de sinore momu ya de sinore banko ngonya banko jaba malala yaje nyim video
okay nyim video ko ni president baro mo musoti sango sangabe dingo sotola na mo musoti kelsina puku andum biide bo president baro le noma bari nendir man tambi nyinna
hani
ila bango la president o yim fole ma so nyi wo keta nyaadi
okay yaje le man din kon ko kumo mun ni shire mo tin ya bla kata bale wale nyim video bilam ba fole munal nyim video hapon ndefe nyim manke fenkoti ndefe nyim manke nendirote ndanga munta nendirote wolong ibam ba nenna yam fane
bari nyimu nendirote chabato
no
ni nyim foke ba ja ya nenne
no to hana sama witi modol batala wala nyama bari nteya is not a insult yajele wato mun nyim video kadada waru wo time wol Usain Dabo kon tole pour nga propaganda nga commencer against Adama Ba
so Usain Dabo le bulani
Usain Dabo nte bulani yajele
so you regret le foi mari no
very good
do you regret making this video or not
very welcome come for Usain Dabo fango kola Usain Dabo e mum fo bila ma nyum fo
Usain Dabo le ko tay video ka Adam Barrow
Usain Dabo ko pour nga campagne wulinde against Adama Barrow yajele tani man nanu Gambia yajele nyim video dala bi fom binala Gambia bari wato mun nada Gambia because
Usain ya tere be no UDP
100% nyata ba UDP 100% ñim tay mo la nga start ka Usain Dabo ta Adama Barrow nga feje lu ngolu ata Usain Dabo holdon de Usain Dabo ko ako fenke one businessman mu yalla ka fa ko fenke Dabo something Dabo very fenke ñin Dabo atoka bon kunga he say friend trophy aka mol ma ko le
turo Dabo
bilam bañum fole Usain Dabo ko ako pour nga ñi ako pour nga ñi campagne ta nga commencé Adam Barrow kamba kado Adam Barrow masu nakaji
ifam bondi le dun dalde ifam bondi de
so birim Usain Dabo ay wo fonye waya tara man kulo ngin ka ko bismillah akonye ko andu fala ning aliyo commencé ndela nga faliye ite serin capadi ila jo abatara turo Dabo le bon
Usain Dabo ko video de da Adam Barrow
kamba puru na jo ako na jo kendum yalla ka fa turo Dabo wala tol sikio wala man tol jola
so sai kabriye video de da non songa na non songa na serin capadi yale video de dal sai e koni president Adam Barrow musoti sango sangabe dingo sotla ki akatu sinol yo wala fo so kabriye de da nyindara viral so ila jona Dabo turo Dabo fama
hanide turo Dabo ne ma hani butu dintel ata Usain Dabo la ko wato ya atara pamudu boja mantra rorin ko pamudu boja mo ba membe kere akonya kanin pamudu diamuta pamudu le jo oba bola turo ntani pamudu le jo ntoni le jo jita bo turo Dabo bulu
so ay pamudu jo le fama
pamudu malo
so pamudu ay même fa pamudu yo kele fama
malo
bari ay même fo de te o kele
anyway ndaba kanne pamudu fana bakan ndaba kanne pamudu fana bak so bari
so sai mbadu ngana kabiral be meeting o sotola turo Dabo bije
there was no turo Dabo it was me
okay kabiri meeting o kala ini Usain Dabo dam pamudu mantaraji
bari
be pamudu fana fila na ngani nin ka fana ina fa
bari nde I am very wise nene man pamudu ko ka fay anko tro do nyaadi la nyen nte nene man pamudu command nene man tro dabo fanda nga sika pour nga telephone o ta Usain Dabo was using Turo Dabo as his piggy bank because ni mo diamu tele wonata another kunyoko Usain Dabo Turo Dabo use can as his piggy bank because of science and thing left political bureau because ntamang fenkelo man Turo Dabo long. So Usain Dabo is the one who brought his name into this thing. Weleba Marala ntele Jola. Okay, so until then that means I'm going to get paid. So how much am I going to get paid? Akonyo ko ibang jola ngamera nimang nina if I'm right abagala ngamera 170 euro every month. Ibang jola wala in euro.
Okay guys, ala barka bake tout le monde alon ko albe njibe kan I know modul se waru why I'm playing this kind of video is amango komen ka Serigne Chopa Choli amango komen ka important di jende is not important but me alon ko wala kuma wala ñun ko the mission me menke kan nothing gonna stop us not to do the mission the mission woni na fulfill kan wala atina na Serigne Chopa Choli video samana jang but it's not going to be only Serigne Chopa Choli be amal jide fanan samana nan album la amal jide fanan na be fanan video samana jang ali ala moy and ngale ko billahi wallahi atallahi Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be kidote la ninyu mol tema janen carte fayo kasi Serigne Chopa Choli aliyo la moy right now andong albe amal jite fana diamo moy la fania momo ye minim fania la wallahi summa wallahi ibe bola fania kono le so Serigne Chopa Choli la video aliyo la moy right now be amal jite fana video sama nan nyimbe mo mento la nyuto ko ya mi saying any of these people are qualified pour que mo convince no ma adama dum ya lonko ita mari miro be bala hakilo be bala ya me Serigne Chopa Choli nyante de convince la ban pour le join NPP Serigne Chopa Choli man nyana ka mo ko kilo fonta ke convince no pour le join NPP because albe ya jele Serigne Chopa Choli la wuliya nyin ala ni wuliya nyin sa bonio killing ne na video ni play ala diamo play up to the end left am na wala ñu ko pour Gambian ko ala toñaji nde wallahi lazim mbekala Gambian ko le seviolti wato wata ne wuli yafo minale kasane yande albe wuli ya moyla kabring dunya fo munatal wuli ya me alon ko moma moy ila balu kono wuli ya albe wala moyla ñina politiko kono ba ndaka ko makil ne fo ko asa wuli ya fo nyaw nyama billahi wallahi tallahi ale me fo usen damba mo wona da tutula abadan alisa hakilotu de diamu lalu ndolme ka diamu Facebook ndolme ka diamu social media wala ko sa hakilotu pour sama c'est programme fait la fin de fam bondi c'est Serigne Chopa Choli aba fam bondi lo nyaadi le ali amo le Serigne Chopa Choli ko ako niya jare findita ay president baro neng ako loya dabo le kate ko me jolon la jo karifa jo so say ning atol mol mel yalon ko al ka Serigne Chopa Choli la moy ali ya understand ko Serigne Chopa Choli mu dorang ika useless because according to Serigne Chopa Choli ako atemu joran waleti molle ka use billahi to ya sabati ika wuliya membe fa UDP ma Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala abe to nya sabati ndil abe koyla fer before on the 4th of December ali ya understand the science Serigne Chopa Choli is out ali amol Serigne Chopa Choli ko ikara jole ako in fact niaje fon ate video de da against Adama Barrow ako because mlekata ako lawyer Dabo although abe wuli yalla fan yalla but you can understand it ko is a kind of person me yalonko if is a tool e ka use ko joran ali amwel so say Serigne Chopa Choli e fem for moy hakilo be bal every person to Gambian iba understand la ko NPP e ka jora e ka mo luasle because that's the kind of philosophy I come in for Gambian call probably I understand. Serigne Chopa Choli ko lawyer Usain Dabo to command 1-to-1.
but amanga toleti de ayamo ila ko kabrani loya Ousainou Darboe ko kacha ako Mody Touré dama mantaraje ako pa Mody Boja mantaraje ako in fact ako mo mantaraje akato loya Darboe 1 to 1 but sen to ba choli be kuma kilim fole wallahi loya Ousainou Darboe te jabila loya Ousainou Darboe manta kuma kilina fole ma nyum kumo kono because loya Ousainou Darboe is a party leader of United Democratic Party. I am a member of United Democratic Party ndele be jabila sen to ba choli nyo wulo Serigne Touba Tole ñoo wulo Serigne Touba Tole ñoo wulo Gambia ma wulu folo ñoo wulo Gambia ma wulu folo but mi nekata alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ite we are clear with you Serigne Touba Tole we are clear with you ite ko ite mu jora ngolati ni aje bi ni aje bi ebe UDP kele kan ni aje bi ebe ala Ousainou Darboe kele kan because mi nekata NPP woliye jole woliye offer contract kolele and they are paying you NPP woliye offer contract kolele and they are paying you. This is why today you Serigne Touba Tole, this is why today you are against UDP. A man like UDP kele based on a political agenda. A man like UDP kele because of UDP is not doing great, but even UDP kele kan because mi nekata NPP call the job. Very clear to Gambian people. 1 to 1. One na fale wallahi summa wallahi azim. Gambian call phone atara. Anama do mem mal la feka tonya moy. Man sakunda be yalo ngoy debe siring. Ita ñanta ka menka banku dingoliye ita mo fa banku dingoliye fo kata adama dingol jo pour ye mol neng e kata adama dingol jo pour ye fan ya fo adama din kendol ma banko kanjam wallahi summa wallahi allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wala be gambe dingoliye allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wala be UDP allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wala be alhaji Ousainou Darboe bari gambe ko ali Ahmed Jida fana moyle ali Ahmed Jida moyle ay même fa alhaji Ousainou ma Serigne Touba Tole wulu ya fele a fayda Gambien kolma ngale ko killing Maimouna Darboe Cissé ya fo janne Fabou Sane ya fo janne findita ne beta nyala wulu ya tandi Gambien kola nyala fan ya tandi Gambien kola anu alaye makoy Serigne Touba Tole bi wala dunda na classroom mo kono Serigne Touba Tole wala dunda na classroom mo kono ngale ko fen tebulu fen fanan tebulu na manga wulu yati fen fanan tebulu na manga fan yati fen fanan tebulu na manga Gambia dingul ta ke dundu nyola wulu yasi lo kan Serigne Touba Tole is out. Serigne Touba Tole is out. The next ticket is Ahmed Jida. Alba Ahmed Jida fanan tamoyle 1 to 1 killing bebe senen jalma bari Ali Ahmed Jida fana tamoyle Ahmed Jida tumala me ya lonko abe la film palaso la in fact before palace ko fa Ali Ahmed Jida la video moyle ay même fa alhaji Ousainou Darboe ale mo menge mo kendoti jonta non dila no alhaji Ousainou Darboe mo kendolati alhaji Ousainou Darboe is very patriotic. Alhaji Ousainou Darboe ni Gambia banko lañu alhaji Ousainou Darboe is ready to protect this country. Alhaji Ousainou Darboe mo molti me ya lonko ñum banko la to nya silo dro ko fa Gambia ko le bari the likes of Ahmed Jida, the likes of Serigne Touba Tole mol ka wolle tay ke ga joramolti pour ka munke ka alhaji Ousainou Darboe ta ka attaque bon ali Ahmed Jida moyle Ahmed Jida ko alhaji Ousainou nata jo bari anama do me ya lonko hakilo be bala ibe la nyaadi le ko alhaji Ousainou Ahmed Jida jo pour que president Barrow nek when alhaji Ousainou was in the government when alhaji Ousainou la mol me ya lonko wala ka diamu alhaji Ousainou Darboe ka fon tole ko alkana president on nek alhaji Ousainou ko lo platform auto aka mo le ko alkana president on nek ida Serigne Touba Tole ida kera tola woti ala ida Serigne Touba Tole ida kera nyama toti ida Serigne Touba Tole ida kera nyama toti sio banta ida lo ya president Barrow nek bi ma le be mem fala bi lu mo si wala non ka fo na diam la le ko ala hakilotu nde sirvo Sonko. There is no single word me alongo nafo in social media I will not able to defend it tomorrow nde sirvo Sonko because I know lata ñina la ko to ñale be lebanna mini tafal to ñaa wala be lebanna nde lata wala la andun to ñabe dama to wala mu ñinti ko to ñabe United Democratic Party le Serigne Touba Tole is out. We are finished with Serigne Touba Tole. And the next person me alongo be wala sama wala Ahmed Jida ti aliene la moy Ahmed Jida fanana ay kuma kendo me fa alhaji Ousainou ma mina ya tinna bi Ahmed Jida be fania fokan alhaji Ousainou ma mina atina bi Ahmed Jida be fania fokan ala Usain ma Gambian kolu nata katul le makoy fay my fellow Gambian people nata katul le makoy my fellow Gambian people nata la kafale ko fania doron wole be bulu nata la kafale ko fente bulu na mangi fania do mbari Gambian kolu bari jannim beta doron albe Ahmed Jida fana moy la ay même fa ala Usain momenti kabri Ahmed Jida fa ala Usain ma ni atara bi wa Ahmed Jida kilo ko lo ako ala Usain man beteya Gambian ko mo may alon ko hakilo be bala ya mi le nyanta lala Ahmed Jida la bang mbadewul ya mi le ben lala Ahmed Jida la bang ba say ali la Ahmed Jida la mbadewul
balu minu ko loya Usainu Dabo abe kasoro nyin tembeng afanamu Gambia sanoni
wala ali la moy
be miyalon ko Allah taala biya sanoni ya Usainu Dabo abe kasoro nyin tembeng afanamu Gambia sanoni lulu wolti ay fenga gambe miyalon ko Allah taala donne along aliya ala alokutos miyalon ko alafta karanna kiti dula janni ka sorong momorondi akara e balonal jumalumu Usainu numukunda Daboti taala numukunda Dabo dimma waliba minkeda dobo kemoti amamari ma wal mu wali kundan kolleti Usainu be sorondi bi netulungo mi yalon ko ndol gambianol be Usainu be tarranunje nyanin ko nyani dobo la Usainu Dabo anim bansanna Usainu Dabo kemesen mi yalon ko jamme jilanka atemu jaran kolti jarala kemesen jamme afana be tarranunje adum Femi Peters fana mini alonko akwala Femi Peters Gambia din kendo aning mfa Momodu Sane mi alonko ay police yake Gambia le fari tayata ay law and order protect in the Gambia. He served in police. I do go get to a very high rank. I retired another National Assembly member. His only records, the only record we have about him are records of patriotism, records of good behaviors, records of love for one's country, records for contribution to the immense maintenance of peace and security in that country. Nga Momodu Sane lo wala aning imo jamal mini alon ko dolnte tol fonola Fatoumata Jawara nyol noko enjaye nyol solo sande nyol solo nkuruma nyol mini alon ko ye befa Yaya Jammele fa Fatoumata Jawara be kasoto anin noko enjaye be kasoto Fatoumata Kamara be kasoto Usainu Dabo nyaton kaba kabiri ye soron anin bitema Yaya Jamme manso hani Usain na muso yeje ibe sorondi meje hani bi mo male be nyamen ibe minto mo malon United Democratic Party le woke alsa kalamuda ko UDP la programme wol be kerim bi wellel mo molti mo morondin hanyita Qur'ano le afa ko kullu shay'in lahu sababun fatbi as-sabab ni dada suratul kahf man satalla ka foyeje fewo fe musababolti alti sababo noma mandin kolko ni takida san yuri kundola ni tankida yiri kundo le boyete sani dunkulum tombon ese yiri kundo tentude ya jayi kana sano tombon dama itakida yiri kundo minna isafana jayi Gambian kolu bi ni aje molbe sila silo ke be yaya nenna ni aje molbe lola sate be teme be yaya nenna ni aje molbe polisol nenne be yaya nenna moto kono bi United Democratic Party le o sabu solo sanden nala April 16 funding kelu April 14 kabira botola Usainu Dabo nata bule noma nyilele mol hanyinde Gambia banko kambi ila mol fata ye sorong ila mol be soronding United Democratic Party damale hanyita wala Gambia banko kam woto wellel hanyita adu wellel lafte ye niol di nyin kamala ka alsala kairo sodo al lafta minna Gambia banko kan alsa sodo nyimu fenneti mi alonko mbe nyantale ngaw fahamde.
Okay, mbadimul sa aliyamoy ko tan mbadimul aliyamoy ko tan ke ngali ko killing because ila kuma kan wala be fintile nan wala be kalan tolle politique rawlti. You must be ready for politics. Albe pare la politique wala kama ñinem Ahmed Jidati ñun le molti mel ya lonko bi ñun la ko NPP face à agence UDP ñun le molti bi mel ya lonko ko UDP mo political party jawoleti ñun le molti mel ya lonko ko Alhaji Ousainou Manke mo kendo di bi bara aliya moy la kununde Ali Ahmed Jida moy le ay Qur'an ay wole fo ako kullu sababu ala Ahmed Jida ndama fo de ako ko ni yalon sababolem ni aje bi Gambia ba fan soto la ako ala UDP ako nyaje bi mobe hanyalo ka fenfo ka diamuno motol kono ka diamuno agency president ako alal UDP so kulum ka diamu agency president Ahmed ya dandile par bi ako momo ya lonko ye kuma fo me ya lonko wala president jikoti Ahmed ko mo ku jawleti ala yamiro nyulu adama dingo me ya lonko you have a sense of thinking miral dabela inyanda ka la nyul la ba Ahmed Jide the light of Ahmed Jide anan seren chopa chole Gambian Kolum Kadiama Tolle, Alal Hakilotu. Everything is time. Fafem be mu time oleti. Nkali ko Ahmed Jida man fensora be men for la Gambia dingole. Sedun Choba Chole man fensora be men for la Gambia dingole. But in fact, Sidin Jaya fana man fensora be men for la Gambia dingole. Ali la man Sidin Jaya.
And also, he also indicated that there is no cause for alarm and people should go about their normal businesses. And referring to the president, he reiterated his positions of defending the peace and stability of his country.
I'm very sorry. See, this is Sidin Jaya. So Sidin Jaya walam Jumat. Badin Gambian Kolo. Sidin Jaya walam moti me ya lonko in 2016. Sidin Jaya 2016. Ali Ajel. Pour Gambien ko ali understand why ali amana bi momo hakilo ba fon bala bi wonyana kabula NPP no ba
Peace and stability of his country and the sovereignty of our nations.
The audio is not clear. Nous ne m'appelez à aller. Nous les multi milliards ko ñu la ka politiko ke president Barrow ñu la ka politiko ke NPP en badul. Ñu milliards ko ñu les fitno sabu ñu bango kanja mbadi Gambien ko. Gambien ko al kana son opportunity adam. Kam fa de wala muti. Ibe kam fa rinde en yole be kuyaring e lafta menne mo wala sotono e lafta banko e kasara banko man kasara no bi an sayba balandi be ko pour ñu banko e kasara wala Sidin Jaya. But it's not only about Sidin Jaya de badi Gambien ko ali la moy na hakilo la ali la moy ani hakilo la ali la moy ali la moy say ke ba ma fon la kuma kan albe la moy la wala Gambien ko lu jos ala hakilo don say albe la moy la president Barrow fon say president Barrow himself ala diamo abe même fo kan ala Ousainou ma Gambian people why should you waste your time ñu la ko ala Ousainou ma woli yotu kunu nimbi ñun lo de fem fem ala Ousainou ma lata wala ali la moy
dikar walindile ila ya mara Kafome dibai na mo ulo kan dikar walindile ila ya mara wala kiringa nje kumumba fo wala kumusindi ni no kumumba fo na sindi na kama samu ya dundi demu feroti Kafome dibai na mo ulo kan dikar walindile ila ya mara
ali amoy ibal walindile ila ya mara President Barrow le fon tama la ali amoy President Barrow afele atale yaf President Barrow le yaf ala amoy badi Gambien ko lo man na kana jang kana ka mu attack ngale ko ne atara minasi la political platform to me fani ala fala Gambien ko le alama ala kana sindije alama ala kana neto ko fon dina badi Gambien ko kana neto ko soto because man le fi men in the record sama moyna ya fogo itala fo jang am li men fo fani ala wana ka hakilo du baki na hakil tuwo be tala na mo wolti Gambien ko
president Amelia Dandile bari bi
Gambien ko ngadi amatol le ngaliye ko ni atara fani ambe balula wala la o alma ala kana fendinna but même ko da Gambia dingo be mo wala ñundu ko NPP abante bulule sedon chopa chole of all et joro joy all the way from America anata akala vote kado sotole bon ali ajele ya samba mundo fambondi ama fambondi no ala wulu ya sembe jumala ala Ousainou Dabo ngale ko ñun la ka faale ko Ousainou Darboe mom betea bar ñun le Ousainou Darboe le kende afa kunum mine yatina bi ko Ousainou Darboe mom betea mbadi ngul alila ma ane hakilu la mba falale membe kering palaso Ahmed Jide palaso la yatina Ahmed Jide konnente ya soto Ousainou Darboe albe ya kalam danu Ahmed Jide fintanu ka ala Ousainou ne jura ko ala Ousainou man palaso di ko mon ko la me ya lon ko mu fani yalet bare même masa kunna ko même masa ala Ousainou la même fa ala Ousainou ta do ko la Ahmed Jide bi akaka wala support wala man ko me ya lon ko amon ko mon ko ta ka do ko dila bare mi nekeda kabri lafta ke manipulate Ahmed Jide al kal ko nyol kay ko me radio station wala yelle in Canada. Yeah, promise. The first promise is Mendi Ahmed Jide la ñunduko. We are going to build a radio station for you. I will mesir nga bendula. E kay ko me radio la radio station me radio station la yelle me online TV yelle me support la because that time dalon Gambian ko the history is very important. What time we atara Ahmed Jide in Fatu network, Fatu Camera, they were having a problem. Because Ahmed was working with Fadu Camara, but Kabin Kelo be caring time moment, Kelolo Bawato, Ahmed did have a problem with Fadu Camara. In those days. So Ahmed Yako, forget about Fadu Camara, forget about Fadu Network. We are going to open a new platform for you. Because that time, Fadu Camara was not in good time with President Barrow. While Kabin President Barrow, Fadu wanted to try and meet President Barrow Monsong. I heard it from the president. I left it, she is trying all means to meet Monsong can meet. President Barrow, yes, I found that info. Fatu Camara was trying all means to meet a Monsong, a man left and Fatu Camara nyoje. President Barrow la info. Billah, nda kawala President Barrow. President Barrow da info, billah and sankali. Adala info. So tomorrow, Fatu Camara was not in good time with the president. So Al-Kali continue le minako say ko, they will use Ahmed Jide ka online platform where Ahmed Jide in Canada, in America. That was the time they start growing. So it started to come for Ahmed Jide and Lamin Sedi of all. Me Lamin Sedi Jumala, Lamin Sedi me alongo, wole be Limex. That Lamin Sedi, wole moti me alongo, wole Melaka call termination on MGI. Nala Kloba kanu MGI in those days. MGI kabiri nata num gambe jang meli alonko wala ka call termination kanum MGI meli alonko wala ka call termination kanum ultimo during the time of Jambe ali amanu la mesedi lale la mes in the commission in Jana commission ako atele samba kada ya je meet in Kanilai albe o mo dunya be o mo ko di that the same la mesedi kabiri wi no kera that la mesedi wala nata ay minake wala nyundiko the first trial ye menke wala nyunduko ye balajasi itata balajasi noma. That was the first pickup. Me alongo balajasi naka pick up all the President Barola. Put MGI still stay to be controlling the gateway. Put a gateway you control. Balajasi naka pick up all the that pickup was given to Lamin Cham. So Kabine Lamin Chambo pick up all use kan. That was the pickup me alongo in adna kadi throw down la. Well, because throw down happened to be the senior security guard. So Kabine because Mleketa, there was another car me alongo Omar Top me alongo a Senegalese man. That was the first convoy. Magisale Menkina Jang. The first Senegalese mafias. Magisale Menkina Jang. Puriyanaka President Barrow rape. To rape the president. One man called Omar Top. Before Kalilu Wage for Mina. Look, we have the history, and the history is with us. Yalon called Diamu Ato Mansi, but Ilafamole Diamu and Numbe Diamu Lesai. We have witnessed a lot. So Omar Top was the one, me alongo, wale security samananjanung, those securities, those Senegalese security. And I will tell you the history of those securities also. During the time of the coalition. That was the first Senegal security me alongo. Yes, samanang. That was the first Senegal securities. Yemele alongo. Yes, samanang nunjang. So those Senegal security kabi yes samanang. Jumale samanang. Omar Top wale samanang. Omar Top want to be some. And mole me alongo nu. Aloranu Senegal deputy alal fire win farmer win ba malong. But I know him, and I'm even still even now Facebook friend in Facebook. Omar Top. So that Omar Top, nala hakilo bakang, otumola because when President Barola moto, That was the only vehicle. Me ya lonko wala moto me ya lonko wala be num convoy ko sa fa ko moto kendo. Apart from President Barrow la moto atafuma moto, the other vehicle même be kata convoy ko no akaka mol na moto lete mol na individual moto. So Omar Top na menake ala security moto anala some of the families and other staff because Omar Top he owned the security company. Security company men na President Barrow guard no from Senegal. Those security firm Omar Top owns that security company. So that Omar Top is the one. Wala moti me ya lonko. Kabring anata jang. Ala security sa ay samanan. So kabra security nta ay samanan ibe jang. So motoko inanna ka motol fanan kinang. Ay motol mel kina I remember. Kabring motol nyun nata. There was one Lincoln. Mota jang Lincoln wala wati. Omar Top le kinang. And one Ford and one Range Rover. I think the first vehicle there are about 5 vehicles. They are used vehicles from Senegal. Yes, Samanang, put into the convoy. So Kabila Modo Lamin Chame Moda Kilinta out. Right? So pick up on Lamin Chamulu, you pick up on Yadi Turo Jaunela. On top. So Melaka say again, Simon A. Martin. One of these car sellers, on your motor wafila milbejang, TK Motors or Simon A. Martin, one not naka motor floody, one pickup and one Pajero. So wole motor flow mendi, one motor flow ning, so Pajero ning. That is the Toyota Land Cruiser ning, the Pajero ning, in Adana Woleta Yole di President Barrow la Barnima, a government meko, President Barrow Barnima, wole not naka drive. So the other pick up on you, this security la min sise me along golem keep security or pick up on you didn't wall la min sise. That pickup was given to Lamin Sise. Well, because golem coalition keep security at that time. There was a time in Adnaka Kamoda killing you Fanana. After giving the first pickup Balajasi MND or pick up Cabrio D throw down so the other pickup Cabring one of these car sellers, TK Motors or Simon A. Martin, Cabrio Wole Moto D, President Barola Motofula, right? So Motakino, so the Pajero one, President Baro Barni Marco Burundi, Abarani Mamma America. Abarani Mamma Kame Molamin Koboron. In fact, that Moron for Molamin for Moron, I attacking Dile. Cabra Moro attacking President Moro Kamfada back, Olu. I come Bada. Cabra Kamfada, I mean, I Abubakar command. In fact, I Abubakar buy. He doesn't want to see Abubakar. Molenada for command and drug President Baro for Abubakar Kanyoje. Because that was the first 0 mileage car President Maro mentioned in life beacon. Time to talk. And we will talk. Diamwado Sida and the Diamul. Faniana Wokala. Ngaliako, Ndasila platform of Faniafo. I have no time to lie. I will never lie. I have no time to. Why should I lie? Menkadam Bola Fala. So that was the time. So Balajasi, because they have the sense code, they also have to do their own mind games. And we need to learn from this because UDP government is coming. So can you story for Nyamawala because I know how the mafias they operate. So Mbejelto Kaliluwage came. Coming Kaliluwage Nata, I have 2 pickup sang. 0 mileage. I Samanang and Aliva Salah should be the one to hand over that. In Brufut, I will make them follow Fanantole. That was the 2 pickup. The first 2 pickup, 0 mileage for now. Koyamalu, Kaliluwage all Samana. That was the time Kalilu also start coming up. Magisale Kalilu Kinang, and that was the first investment Kaliluwage made to the coalition government. Fine. Those pickup also were handed over to President Barrow. And pickup kilo di Jumala. Well, one man is a soldier sign at the State House. One man, Mr. Barrow. And the other pickup was given to me. Because I was driving the securities at the time. Because I'm telling you to lead. I was the one leading the convoy. Truth is truth. The other pickup was given to me. Because I'm telling own private car. I'm use. No own private car. Ndala fuel, my own private car. Ndala fuel, I do everything. Even at a moment from back and tell you sang. I remember one man, Bunja, Jamano. Bunja was the one. He gave me $4,000. I went and buy that one. Ndala my car. I bought that alarm at my car. When the coalition have nothing. na sam mayka na la moto ko kan bunja jamano money transfer bunja wala ko dinna. And I was the one leading the convoy. I was the sweeper of the convoy in those days. So coming and pick up on another side, the vehicle I was using is a small car, so not like a one pick up dinner. So not alamonium bondi na pick up on your car. Truth is truth. Fam bondi. And I'm fam bondi. So you batoli a fam bondi le, definitely mem fam bondi le. But then fam bondi le fani asilo mem fam bondi in the right way, selectly new. So that was the way the system grown up. President Barrow Botajang, atara Senegal, atara Mali Senegal. So Kalilu Wage akunu woleto. That was the time Kalilu Wage, President Barrow kunu woleto. So saying, na Gambiano Miliano ko benu jam because they were trying because the likes of Modi Jagana and Fatou Cissé in those days were like a collect from different FX bureaus. Many of the FX bureau the like of Matar Cissé, MCC, he tried a lot because he contributed a lot into that thing. Pour kana mulla baluo, and security milialong kana ka President Barrow got in those days. Ila Joe, Gambia Dungulu, Gambia FX bureau, milialong they were having FX bureaus because in those days, Kamime Kelo Kekang, ya jeme fanani FX bureau tiol, they have a lot of problem. And Yaya Jammeh was the one controlling the foreign currency in this country. So Gambia FX Bureau, they have a very strong organization, and those strong organizations, Faruturani Molu Jagana, will look at a collection from different FX bureaus. Near collection of Koloni, Kaulasamana, the security John Wallala, the private securities, we were giving volunteer to the coalition to protect the principal. Look, the history will come, and then we have to say it. Understand. For everybody understand. Nalia Katro Fay President Barrow, Gambian Kolu la Balu Okono, Fente Kelal Fay, Fentan Nimisala, Katambika Katro Fay President Barrow. If it is individual empowerment, I was empowered as individual person. Truth is true, I was empowered by the president. I have to look, I was empowered by the president, I was loved by the president, but what about my fellow men? Those who I did struggle with. Truth is truth. And the little time I have with them, I was close to them. Billah, anybody may along, he was my close mate, he was my associate. During those days, I did a lot for them. The little I was having, I was sharing with them. I was never giving. I can remember, Billah, Billahi wallahi tallahi ninkale ko kamin President Barrow keda mansete nin ko dina ka dun nin President Barrow tema ko do seta bulu kaba keda mansete a physical cast the only day me along I have a physical cast from the president was one day lu me along sanyan kol ko be demonstration okela ndata je suto ndata je nte mansa sumare anin de Mansa Sumar anun Suso one soldier Suso anun ndol molul ndol leta President Barrow noma ndol leta Sanyang ka Sanyang youth soldier Sanyang dungul ni be lamay kan ba fe ngam fo nga tolna dungul fo tamo me ya lon ko wonye jama ba ka tangulu fo ka nyawol bi ka ka nyawol ta e ke fay musol la gal no Sanyang because we were there to defend the president. We were there to defend this government because we like that ndol government in Samana. Ndaraje Suda ba ndina Sanyang funding kewol kam one to one house to house Sanyang cable house to house niami dungo soto ngoy ko president ba la ko moy lale president ba la wuro moy lale please alkana demonstration o nyinke o sudo ni Sanyang dungul kachata kabin ni kachata sudo nyin Sanyang message I remember me bola Sanyang kana kasey me fotala yundum it was almost 4 o'clock in the morning 4 a.m. nan la ko dange 6 a.m. ko dange wulta ko dange nim Mansa Sumar nyol wulta ko dange to go back kata Sanyang ko dange to go and engage those youth soul ke collect nieta ye Chinese so nyawol fayda mento ye nyawol ta ye jama bakata ye samba da mento ye jurma nyoka Chinese soul ye nyejama ba e sambalo ye julma nyoko musol la dali no ko siol be biti la siol be musol la dali no tinyakam insanyam na be video we saw everything nada ka president Barrow brief na sita na brief na kumol be fa ay te am kilomul na brief he explained us everything na ko be explain and Dusano was there. That was the day Dusano ko ako the other company me along ko one alley ako there is one alley me along ko fanan kanyim fishing from ko one alley ako that alley nying ako to le la sino di wala to le wala la sino nyim facilitated because Dusano ko ate is a master ako jalolu comme fishing ako ate ala profession is fishing aka jalo sifa belo long Dusano wala ka fanyo ko ala profession is fishing so ako jalo sifa be belo ne Dusano it was part of the briefing coming to president brief in that day wala na president Barrow brief kabina brief mfareta I remember it was in the number Sungaro common form. Yes. So mfareta after Fatba that's a Wultan Dimola Molulu that's a Wultan. That was the only money I ate from the president. Molulu that's a Wultan Yadina Natlano Kema. That's the only money I ate from the president. Billahi wallahi tallahi. That was the only money. Madam, may I long suffer ko wala dunta den president Barrow tema. Ma fole cabinet coalition on yimbe I mean coalition security the first time cabinet fashion na de kejo. Yes, I was paid about I think 2 months. You can all do tomorrow in the time I can security do each 5,000 every month. Yes, because I was spending the motor fuel, the motor use on private things in those days. So near 5,000 someone in 2 months. I received 5,000 salary from them 2 months. Truth. I was just trying to make the story the mafias, the cabas, left a Kawolu coming at the character of the cabas and how they come. This is why we are encouraging UDP Dongolu. Don't let the mafias come and sponsor our party. Don't let the Bondi can party sponsor so that the mafias will not have any control over our party. But if you do not UDP Dongolu, then Afro Bondi, we support our party. We support the grassroots politics. Look, if you cannot support the central committee of the party, you can support the grassroots, the region, alla regional sponsor. So that they can do the politics. Al teacher sang la regional ye. Al campaign material sang la regional ye. Banco e Bondi. The Banco Bondi without no cabas. Without no cabal. What will happen when you do the government will concentrate on working. There is no mafia. There is no cabal. May Alongo, you will be able to come and say, look, I have been doing for you yesterday. No. One of the Gambia Dulu. Alala na flol Bondi. Ale Banco Bondi. President Barrow ya men bela. Ale ajele. Another Saudi Arabia. Ala Musoya sign. Ale amo iloko President Barrow if on behalf of the Gambia government. But I didn't Fatibah Barrow Tanajele. Fatibah Barrow ya sign on behalf of FAO Foundation. Albania ojele Gambian Kolu. Zenabu la jamano ja wala kakajam. Zenabu kata ya jambe kata mulla bangu kodo aka flight on luas jang aka on private missions la. Prata fo ko dama. Fatibah Barrow fela aya sign. It's aka sign. Do you know how that deal comes up? I know the clear details of that deal. So the Saudi trip was made for Fatibah Barrow, not even for Gambia. They make the collide to the Gambian embassy, the Gambian embassy in Saudi Arabia. That project was started by who? Gambian embassy in Saudi Arabia. The project was started during the time of Jambe. I remember the guy who project on the Kasma Vice. Well, one Malan Jambe. He living together. Malan Jambe, wala kata auto, kataka project on supervise in Saudi Arabia. Guys, hello, Jamu Mansi. I think I will stop here. But come and follow Nyuko Elafanialu is going to be cleared every day. Ikafaniam before Honorable Hussein Dabama is going to be cleared. Abesenale. One by one is going to be cleared. one by one because Alai Usenu mole me alongo mo senemba. So it's going to be cleared. So we know to buy nola, but they will also call them. So Nimem Fanala for Commando Kala is a Commando. I can take 1 or 2 callers. And the number to call is 288-5588. Inshallah, by tomorrow, we are going again. The national monitoring. We started it the first two in Bande. Now we're going for the second round. We're going for the second round. National voter monitoring. We're going for the second round. So tomorrow I'll be living with Ibrahim Adiba, Karavasonko, Babagal Lopi, and Dudu Kasajata. Midako de Kataka Banko be Munumurung, and then we will discuss about be Namol Mitla nationwide. Hello, Islam. Yes, you know, Jumara. Ilava join a colleague. But Sukuran Kolunko, aha, breaking news Sukuta. Mole men commanding all the way from Sukuta. So, and there is a breaking news going in Sukuta. Karunaja MPP Kole Asafe Ko. You got breaking news Sukuta, 150 youths join NPP. But in the video, I come moment if I'm telling more. So it fell a young commander all the way from Sukuta, and I want you to make it very clear for Tonya, Sukuta for Ninkolu, for Sukuta calling for Yella for our Wafilabang, left for your son, you are just looking, but I feel it. More baby Lamoka, Bisilla.
Amansura Sinindi.
More baby Lamoka, Aquaini Mulmo.
Amansura Sinindi.
So what can I do? Let me make a Sukuta be left for your family, Moliamo SNA.
No, come in. I am more than Kapuno Madram. Minam all will be annual canal. A only will call General Benjamin will carry you can black in among the putting you from Kibirava. The Fong Mulla killing. Kabrina will found the Jahal that was full of Makam the Sugura Yampa. So you know, we will start blood the phone.
So Biden because Niaji 150 youths. Eko funding ke funding ke tang ane lulu. So Nico wole botana Sukuta sato kono. Eko wole join the NPP. Fote eteri mabe jebang. Onte badi mabe jebang. Onte mobe jebang out of 150 people okono. Yemel lonko afana be mo kono mele lonko wole join the NPP.
Kewang ko ente po jahal because mo kadam ko Sukuta be der ne tek dem NPP bukan diamu jang. Gola foye. I ain't going to go and Jahal for you 150 people, you also loving to it. Because jumping on 100 for you, so near the ceiling, so near the stop them go. I don't know the NP, the Conde Parandicamulet, or Cavani, boy, Corogani, the boy, no Prale will let it. No one can get NPP for a young. We'll find the Jahal, only 150 people. I can Jahal for why? Over a window.
I know you go funding, you go 150 youths.
Go. Kama abanyamin fo ngamin fo ngo amonsoro biya amonsoro sa amonsoro sinda
madon aliamoyle you see the propaganda so ngo le fo ko this is the kind of propaganda be menkela ngale ko faniya ka balu wolela
ngamin fo sugura jandol be nema chattale dol group bare ben dol bur janni ala ko be ponda grand sugura jang abbe ka tan dol group ko konale hani akata sugura hani akata suro trio ko le alongo mo wasen na ngele. So Niman Fenjoro Galongo Femman Sukura. Go yeah, Guru Bola de Genial Abento maybe after Nanimuna Nombaldi. You can feel it.
Okay, Menyomo, Abaraka, thank you very much.
Lafaka Jason and the Bagel, sorry. Guru Bongo had a trio of Sudo. Momon Sukura Loud Lamu, Momon Beji, Ibo Guru Conale. So Ninku had 3 o'clock Sudo, 4 o'clock Sudo, along Mobaka Guru. It have a connection on Malare Fem Tamagan. So Niman Fenjo Bladder along with Madra. So
accommodate Etaka loco, accommodate Etaka for Molia loco. Sukuta is almost 90% UDP. Call for Molia. Hello?
So you can make for two.
So accommodate coming from Molia you go. So Sukuta is 90% UDP.
99.9%. Not even 90%, but 99.9%.
99.9%.
9%. I'm telling you.
Sukuta be quality. So science sukuda funding kewlu ya kan aliya famla ban ko be la vodas kato sodole la vodas kato
ndol ko jam ya science and as you can see usually for the mini along ka for almost ila group ni tara for 60 people mi angum kapol wodi as now for wolf ben normal for puru ila fa sabale na jam kon ya tanala for jam me nyani because rumors min ka ko molla fa puru yalo na stop I dam so la telephone pour kam makam bala kon ka jam moli alon ko bimbe keri ja usual kana wori fan walla
ali amoy sabi jun ko la fa kam makam bala ke ka tandi gambe bela ka tandi dunya bela ko sabi mu UDP le o ta baraka bake mbe ko man lafta ni mbe no masul la amoy thank you
UDP ban ko dale
thank you abaraka thank you so ali amoy le so ngowe foye mbadi mulu so this is the point here they will keep lying they don't have nothing to say the only thing membe bu olo nyindi ko politique of deception kamol filindi but ali la moy ñu jalo la ak même alay ousenema na continuer na falel the number to call is 288 5588 288 5588 ñu mo wala sama ko mo jokala
2021 election
But remember, the history of the coalition, na left Katonya Mamo, I sent ya, na falelo go, I started. Sama mbita tola inshallah, nintara tola sama. Anywhere in the free time also, the sila the coalition lo ko bon lale nyokono. Silokan Jumal lebe silokan, Ibrahima Jumal lebe silokan, anin Karava Sonko, Dudu Kasa Jata, Babukar Jlopi, anin Ahmed Skarat Gane, mbebe tara silokan sama inshallah. When we nim free anytime the bantaba sot laliye ba flaliye coalition o nyeng akata nyaadile ko be tara nyame ba flala senya we are the people me yalo kon to lebe ninje ano ko sene ma mbola flaliye mansake falinta fewole mansake falinde femole nkoto ma falindi femole adama baro falindi bada be koy lama ko ni atara femole ka banko samba no wonte banko to nyala ka samba banko men ka samba wala ñu tele wala ka banko samba ngo itani banko kasara no ngale ko gambien ko ye ko di ye contre parti jumala wala UDP ti gambien ko wala ko jumala be on the 4th of December e be karta fela jumala wala mo alaj Ousseyn Dabodi ngale ko tiakano bantale ni me la carte que soto go on find it tela carte que so ñini yela volas carte mu tebulu carte fay wa carte que wa fo diamu ndaro fala ko ndaro fala say carte ko ha e be carte sama kala ndaro fala say because mnakara nte I have a way of doing my politics ndialo no ko fen wato le bala ba say semaine funa wala ñuti ko alta carte que so ñini momo yalla ko yetere ma soto jende ya kafu ñoo ma soto jende please just 10 minutes ye kafu ñoo ma call afa ya kafu ñoo ma call afo fana ya kafu ñoo ma call anyu nga ba be parti jumalto abe UDP le na be UDP afa ko eta carte kay eta carte fay kay to ñini na man ta UDP a convince ni a convince afa ko eta carte fay kay to ñini afa ko banko be te momento we need their support so ngale ko time moment ra jang ala Serigne Thiaba Thioly moy la ba Serigne Thiaba Thioly la furene fana be janne o fana sa fa molé même kene e ko ala sana yes ken Serigne Thiaba Thioly moy
Serigne Thiaba Thioly kilimo atala ko bogante de ngani boka time waste
ban memela bar bi yala ko mo moy la ban Serigne Thiaba Thioly la latest video mo yow moy la mo moy
mala ko mo moy
so Serigne Thiaba Thioly ko ako bala atole Serigne Thiaba Thioly benu America koli so left la mo Serigne Thiaba Thioly la janni ibina fem fola Serigne Thiaba Thioly ko bayal programme ni we are almost there be at the closing ne bon mbela fla mena wala ñundu ko yela mo Serigne Thiaba Thioly la Mbadu yela mo Serigne Thiaba Thioly la follow
na video play ja ibo bawane ndoke bari ne ndroke le imira ni ma son ndro nga proof soto janga play
hani sain atandinna nga nendrota
yake da okay problem dije sa nga video sa mbod nga video itandi
okay kuma kilim bafale yaje presse bar namu no musot e wa basiala budu bak presse bar namu no musot la ilaha illallah momu ya wada yaje da wada nini mu no musot kambana binale bafale
Okay, in video ko ni President Barrow mo musoti. Sango sanga ni musotala. Na mo musoti kelsina. Puku. Andum bide bo President Barrow le noma. Bari nendir man tambi nyinna. Ila bangola President o yim fole ma. So ni wo keta nyaadi.
Okay. Yajele man din ko kumo mun ni shire molti ni abla kata bale wale. Nyim video bilam ba fole munal nyim video hapon ndefe nyim manke fenkoti ndefe nyim manke nendiroti ndenga munta nendiroti wolong ibam ba nenna yem fane
bari nyim nendiroti de chapati
no
ni nyim foke ba ja ya nenne
no to hono so witi modol batala wala nyama bari ndeya is not a insult yajele wato mun nyim video kadada wo time Usain Dabo kontole pour nga propaganda nga commencer against Adama Barrow.
So Usain Dabo le bulani.
Usain Dabo nte bulani. Yajele aso
Usain
no nani nga bayo ka video men tandi mo lete. I think until badin kan dem ko be video la mo le no back in the day. No, interview ni wala video.
Abasa ala dia mo ni sai akola Usain Dabo ka ko la mo pour ça fait fond.
No, mo be wulo ni la. Wulo mi alon ko fenyetala. Iba harma dingo men nyina harma dingo mi alon ko wulo le ya wulu. Ni tambita baba jala do nyami fanda hadi. But at the end of the day, ngam fona programme do wala mi di drongo ni mo si bal ne la ko jibe. Ngam yuri be ko me dal men atro be jibe ro ade mo men wala mi di ko. Aman jari mo ka ni mo si fal jabi. Aman jari mo ni bakan forward ke aman jari mo ye. Ile fanya le be seni aka so sai baba ja ni mi ala body language fo jibe ni dia mo ko no. Nyin kewo ye kutala le amuta tap ama expect ko nyimbe nyin cassette play la wala nyin video play la in this interview so asa mala be kumo di dara nyame al kumo nyin tinyata bol nata ko nyin kewo ye baba ja so time la no amuta suo ko no abe mira kula le ay na la be no fata bor sa wo time otije anu badi ngambe ko na le ila me wala le ari call back in the days ye nyene kenum fenge fana no Njai Mane wali yi neke Njai Mane la bili wali fana be Njai Mane interview la Njai Mane ma expect ko ala nendi kas di amol be wali bulle bili wali ya play a drum ke be jaro la abe di amol at the same time abe kumo mon falino so atale be jibe lo right now me be keri sai wala mi di drum ko NPP ko mfama na be di amol la bi mbadi ngambi encore kama mbo NPP ko da ko na fa malika ka mo yalla ni minta mo dela NPP ko carte keso buka mo kanyeni ndabe mfam fa kan be register men ke kan ngo kana carte fa buka mo kanyeni ferol ka mo kanyeni wala mun ke kana sunya rol wala mun di ko dali la plano le be sibe election o regle no nyame either they are working with the IEC or they are working with stakeholders men yalon ko ye implement sono wala ka kukeno IEC ka so mbadi ngambi encore kon ka fo nyame do or die akana ke diamo kel sonti de but action so ni NPP ko ka faale ko ni election o kadde kaso ko mo kanyeni bar fero ko mo kanyeni fero juma ko mo kanyeni wala kana suñaro la suñaro 800 million dollars yewol landi karala 800 million dollars yewol landi karala bu ko am 14 pulena 14 so kamina fo molier Gambians are political prostitute. Gambians man believe fenna na man ka katte kisot. Kodoti. Kodi so sai kana mu ne ga wala mu ka 800 million dollars aside. Purka katto sa mo bul. When 800 million dollars is needed at the hospitals. 800 million dollars is needed to get ambulances for our hospitals. 800 million dollars is needed to help the unemployed youth in the country. By the government called 800 million dollars is needed. Pour que foire ma ko men ya lon ko. Bi ni tara badala. Ya paso proso. So na fale ni jande. NPP moto ben bebu ata na Gambia police force bol. NPP as a political party. The number of vehicles they mentioned amantra the entire Gambia police force. Moto be NPP bol amantra Gambia armed forces be bol. Motombe NPP bulu na prison services masono kunun police musu fula nawol saray la ko rek ni mol ni ka kachale. I am even shocked to hear this from the mouth of two police officers bilente ba ñu longola iko police le fon ko ite lekele uniforme se fay
Some of them.
Gambia police ko ite lekele uniforme se fay ite lekele samoto se fay ita dunia dawoda the government is responsible for that wala yante every 1 year wala every 6 months ka brown new uniform di police ani samoto but Gambia police muso na sika moto kono kunu akonyo ko ite leka uniform se fay so say police ko uniform se fay dame malo wolbe kido solla no jame ngakore kiru malo wolbe moto solla dame ngakore kiru I visited Weringara police post. Siran kendo fomantra police post kono Weringara police post. Siran kendo tije. Ndaba Sukuta police post. I was not allowed to make videos there. But if not, I would have made those videos. I have not shared on my page. But I was not allowed to make videos there. I visited Sukuta police post for now. Welcome to the Ataya Vu. So at the end of the day, let's forget about UDP Yajang. NPP yaya, APRC yaya. Let's forget about the yellow color, the green color, and the grey color here. What matters here? What I mean to go? The reality and the fact of the matter. What I mean to for Banku abitaka nyama, fa abitaka nyama. And Gambeno fenne bukan Gambeno lo kuo bukan dimi. Mentem bita Gambeno membe sharing siri diaspora ko alma barola fasa. Gambeno man jawaya mentem bita Gambeno la membe siri diaspora aka alma barola fasa. Gambeno man hasidiya. Hakilo man doya aman jawaya ka tambi Gambeno la membe siri diaspora o kaka aman jitela aman alama barola fasa mbeto folale Gambeno man jawaya bi menta bita Gambeno la men kam to ko nyima kinte men kam to ko Maymuna Sise Dabo ñol Gambeno man jawaya ka hasidiya bi ka tambi mola men kam to ko Fabu Sara ñol sifat la min dem ñol sifat Gambeno man jawaya bi menta bita people like la min tunkara men ka boda diaspora anta si Gambia, now he's a deputy director of Gamtel. I made you take a molko, a call, Kafako, Karido Kola Gamtel, but I'm a political call. Karido Kola Gamtel, but I can posting to a payol tola, I can't remember Masakunda against. I'm a Gita Kalavin Tunkara call, I can find our Tembedu, Bemba Tembedu Dimma, I will do call a Gamtel, and executive member of Marty UDP, and you got the political platform, for our Tembedu take up money, political letters of a cardia. And these are the people who were having a big mouth in the struggle. And the more fula be yola kwa kala de umbadi ngandi onkol musu fula be Maymuna Sise Dabo la mnyidite ani fara mara jawara wole lo ada bod nen dawo do ye fal ne ye lo ada bod do ye fal do ye la wulu wala do ya because ni mo fulo le sita be afa namo Maymuna Sise Dabo lo dala kulli kenyoto akolo ada bod men ka wulu fama kay lo ada bod men no ya wulu fama no ay biolo ka ko lo ada bod ya amul ada bod fal do ya uno ko na UDP ngol kam fa fada mo jawra di same thing akolo ada bod men no ya wulu fama no ay biwa ka ko lo ada bod ne mo lo ada bod ne afal ne. So what is the latest news in the Gambia right now? Bankamane of all people namra biaje most of these people in the struggle were big-mouthed. The big-mouthed people in the struggle were all selfish individuals. They don't have the country at heart, but they are selfish individual people. So I'll be Bankamane alone back in the struggle. Jimalo Bankamane alone during Yaya Jammeh's time. O Bankamane people will be tapale ala banko kanjandi. Wala be illegal business okay kanyi banko kambi. Wala ka kenyo samba wafi molma. Aka kenyo samba dulado ba wafi ka without the authority of Banjul City Council. Bankamane of all people. Hey, wala sabu nyi modol be struggle ko wala ba ni Yaya Jammeh ñu dol mit billah wala tallah. Wala sabu ka ko Yaya Jammeh modol fa they deserve to die. Yaya Jammeh modol mantura they deserve to be punished by Yaya Jammeh. Bankamane bibo o male president. But you guys will never see Fatu Network investigating or talking about this. Fatu Network and our do Kulamen come to Kulamen Jai. They will be talking about Rohim Malik Law giving attestations to non-Banjulians. They are talking about Rohim Malik Law denying Banjulians to have attestation. But they will not talk about Ko. Bankamane is involved in an illegal business. Like a Kenya some big lalto. Saro is on the Banjul City Council and he both lie water mena Banjul City Council Makalamuta. Fatu Network will never report that. I tell you, They will have breaking news, but this will never be a breaking news to them. Let's talk about Jah Oil. Number one, atele la essence of food, Gambia essential bait. Atele la essence of food, Gambia essential bait. Ye mo moje ya Jah Oil essence sa ikori yo ya sam because ave mo le moto le tinya kanja, ave mo le moto le maso tinya kanja. But this Jah Oil atele sombo so the essence petrol station bait banko kanja. Dawda diata ka petrol station yele wolto. Very dangerous locations. Ala petrol station in Kodda la katara nyobala. Alman tanka dimba manta dawda. Explosion kata dawda abe mo laban na fala. Kona ita je ay petrol station yele je. Akadula tala ay building no commencé je. Mo le bukalo ay je sa nyaadi la ay je suro nyaabe. Follow nyata ala fana ka petrol import aka samana nyi banko ka petrol mi alon ko. Dunia banko ta ala la du la banko ka. All Jumale Ake because of President Barrow business partner lam Jah Oil. Because of Jah Oil is sponsoring NPP. Because Jah Oil is sponsoring President Barrow. Jah Oil essence men ko dum Gambia. Gambia ko la essence do not la. Gambia ko la essence do not la. Banko do ko essence te ka bon dulal. But they allowing Jah Oil to bring those kind of petrol, that bad quality of petrol into the country because he's President Barrow's business partner. So ala fa NPP ko le ko wulia fo ko la fembo ka be da kono fonyo fo ken so ko la fembo ka be da kono fento kuto da fo fonyo ken so that they have nothing, absolutely nothing to tell Gambians mo le mem moy la absolutely nothing. But it's all about be men do ka plaka na ba e be men do ka plaka na ba e be sunya rol men na plaka na stop e ba do be place rol men do be Gambia to plaka plaka na stop ba Gambia dimol fodi mi lefta kala fan jawoti nde ko la faja an ne wala experience ya ne wala jeja Gambia di mi lefta kala fan jawoti bi wala be karto fa la President Barrow Gambia di ma fan jawoti amam bala fa suta ñon Gambia no le wala be bribe telephone President Barrow ba ñu tambi like so at the end of the day atal be diaspora mo manna kanano ka register be dan yak al nin kilay campagne ka ne sabanja ni mano fana and make sure that your family, the registration, your menke, the voters card be able to under your control for election day. Because you have fallen now, iko, kato buka mo kanyani. Iko, itelaman intellectual kate keso nyendo. Iko, kate keso me hakilo lo kam. Ferol ka mo kanyani. So fereji malbe mo kanyani la ja. Wala sunyaro. Sunyaro. Wala malbe bulu. So say, mi be kere ni banko kanja. Anybody who travels to the Gambia, few days before you get back to wherever you are going, you have to go to the bank and pay $3,500 for coronavirus test. COVID-19 test, oban talaga min dole dunia min dole sa. Ina ta test ke, ne test ke ka famo be ko positive tar. Deni be mol jenken la karole ba fole ko $5,000 dina na ke negative. Wala $2,000 dina na ke negative. Wala $1,000 dina na ke negative. Momo tamo da ni tara test ne ka fa ko you are positive. So katra sirin diaspora ika fo wi baro hasid yaman tambala do mi haram yaman tambala bay be UDP ko be dal na mena one more time wala let's focus and let's not allow ourselves to be distracted. Parti leader fala ba mo bula nendirla ama mo bula kerala ama mo bula pulika joro kay niane ako niane na nendiro nyinta na ke bambut loti nambalul muwala so nte momo je me alon ko kalo ada bonne wala ka UDP ko le leader benne badi ngambe ko mbal dalila ala mani labango jibe ala mani labandu la jibe la min jaytele e be no suwida le biyo ko ataya sama fam sodono aka sigarde men fam sabaka mo le dani puli adiyala ani bilaba kan na folo num mo le be ko makenzen fola la min jaytele afela kata tout man kete ala banko ka akara homeless ala banko ka ro tay mo la ka jo e ka fay ko tay lo hay malik lone te mandin kolne te UDP kolne bi men ka jo no prayro hi malik lone ani mandin kolne UDP kol ibe da ba ko na men fam kol bu ka telephone sika mbadi ngambe kol dunya mun karam bodo lole be karan kanje be tawde yalla ja la min jeyte kola ji malaka nandiro keno ile baba jale bi men be siate wole baba jalo ne NPP kolle baba jal sikandi itelle ka funtol mutaye ka moldi itela ka mo kenso ko mayani baba jale bi afele bi ya interview ya sindi ya audio play a nyaay ako president baro no musolti no ibe kala ko mandira every hour atali ya ako president baro no musolti no ibe kala ko mandira every hour ibe kala pupukula drong every hour wulula drong atali ya ako man kan ndiro nendire tembe tawole la banko president ma yo fa ba na ko ni UDP ko len fo ni this car will be falling down so sa ko bi lo ada bola de kiwoka so alda ni ma ala la ba dula jibe abe halakila ni kuma kamoda mala ka kamola lo ada boka
ibe mo maimuna
ka kamola lo ada boka abe halakila wada mala yes president Barrow is a very dangerous individual but president Barrow been misled against lawyer Ousainou Darboe a territory president Barrow very dangerous individual men ka mol fay nyoka bala many sonta ayni Barrow yaada ayni lo yaada bo fay nyoka a territory president Barrow ko Maimouna Cissé Darboe ko ko be kala place do Darboe ko e man kara Darboe man so Maimouna Cissé Darboe hasidima atolema atala mol no birkama la kodda to birkama family compagno do dame akoy ko ala lo yaada we min kentela Barrow ka be kala place do Darboe balanda pour kala mol soto on ha say bal ala de maro atala wuruta follo la bara follo ya wurata kada jongoti atala mbambun hajbu nampasi mbab yalla sura ka famena hajbu nampasi mbab wala Maimouna Cissé Darboe bal Maimouna wuluba haylan siatu UDP le mal ado ba ni meden baklim fakli UDP le mal ala entire compound be mu UDP le wa mom moy hajbu nampasi mbab wala hajbu judu simba eda Fadama Jawara the same thing. So I never care in Bali Gambian code. Inshallah, very soon I'll be back in the States. And I have a special program, conversation with the victims. The victim will killing Nalba with a dalal from their mouths. If it are true men, it are true men, and he can man for it. Nindu Sharon Yoli call it a man for it. Lam Chamil Kamul Menki Kaman for it. If you have a mole call and a bank do cola. Alna na domo NPP ko fanka fu mole alna na domo bali buka fu mole alna na banku do ko la alna le ka fu man national development program ka ani bal alna na domo ni ma sekunda bantal o mo kilo le kana si social media platform do ko ka president Barrow defense ka diam ko tele president Barrow fon kanu ka tambi fa ma babaro du sano be lori ke ba do be lori du sano ka fa ko ni ma wuli ya fon tabalula du sano ka fu moy ko ni ma wuli afon tabalula abantan ni masa kunda bule ba du sano kilimo bibi ni faatu nedu ko yak im faat asa wura jam ya le president Barrow kadu ko tambi dunya be so they think that people are fool Ahmed Jide fo ko alko kotali every single day Ahmed Jide atala buka alko kotali le bang every single day o Ahmed Jide wala be dim banko kambia be mo la haajo tinyaka abe fonding ko la haajo tinyaka ka men yalla ko le family be den ni telela ako bi ko sabe musul musibul saban solati e be politiko ko bal Ahmed Jide ni tala ko sundo tuda musibul saban lodi ba fajil ta wala Ahmed Jide ni tala ko Sidi Njay musibul saban lodi ba fo Ahmed Jide ni tala ko Lamin Cham alkal ko deni Cheikh Mbaro ni be musibul saban solati fo mo tra diam ko political platform le de soutati alma be tankala hasidiya bala alma ala mo fanan be joy ngani yola kilingiri so mbali ngam ko sa mine be keri Lamin Njay of all people Lamin Njay be ker faatu Lamin Njay be faatu network astafura hey modol be ba fala journaliste le mi wonta journaliste de gambe yalla modol ji ka fa mo ko tellement activiste to wonta activiste de gambe ni jalla mo je men ka fa mo ko tellement docteur do men ka docteur wolti de ale men beje siri ni media house solto bla ker faatu lemba fa faatu network lemba fa King FM lemba fa Star FM lemba fa Paradise TV lemba fo QTV lemba journaliste le ke école konti kono membe ka si media naka diamu membe ka si media naka newspaper read bal ben journaliste solti de mbadi ngambe ko fo ma faale ko mini tafal toñal be laban mini tafal toñal be laban o toñal be laban kam bi Allahu akbar Lamin Njay la kullo wanyata nim Fatou network is humble Fatou network is neutral Fatou network is fair and balanced Lamin Jai should be fired long time ago. Lamin Jai should not be allowed to be on that media house. Lamin Jai should not be an employee of Fatu Network anymore. If Fatu Camera is fair and balanced. If Fatu Network is fair and balanced. Lamin Jai, Abubakar Jawara, $100,000 in a year. Abubakar Jawara, $100,000. I will do Lamin Jai. Different from Allah Hibi Kul Mendola and in our promise Moto Kuto member. Different from a partner Doko member to be writing negative headlines about UDP. So everybody in UDP we should not be distracted by Lamin Jai. And we should not allow ourselves to be distracted by Lamin Jai. But we also have to make it a tick for tack for him. Fire to fire. Anytime Lamin Jai negative things about UDP, anytime Lamin Jai misleading headlines about UDP, anytime Lamin Jai attack our party and leadership unconditionally, we have to go after him. Fire to fire. Tit for tat. Simple. Because we already know the deal behind the scene. We know that now he's working for Abubakar Jawara. We know that he's the mouthpiece for Abubakar Jawara. Abubakar Jawara ka Lamin Jai kumandi aka fay ko UDP ko le moto don to modole ya wala UDP ko lafta moto sana modole ya wala UDP ko kolo tebule ko mo le don to modole la Lamin Jai ka forest headline on safe about UDP o table mol mala me kere bali ma ko lo wanyata hay ala mantra ni na kungoto dan ko le ni sabang before duwa be fitale so ye fen ke ka wadi ka expose ten ye fen ke expose ten so say mbali UDP ko one team bolo fulale Lamin Jai karola fire to fire, tit for tat. Any stupid headlines from him, any crazy headlines from him, we should go after him. Because we know that now he's paid to write negative information about Lawyer Dabo and the UDP. Now we know that he's been bribed by Abubakar Jawara for him to be writing fake and misleading headlines about the United Democratic Party. Agal UDP ko leta haklo to lemento wala do nali al badi UDP ko ja diamuta wala nali al badi UDP ko ja be julu jola al salon ko ya tonyer gambeno do mon tonyer la lo bar jodi ya yolo lo gambeno mala membe tonyer rode gambeno mala membe mo provoca bal membe joka ye wala so nali al badi UDP ko ja diamuta wato especially people like Mamadou Sabali, people like Bayo Sonko Nyol Sifal, people like Fode Jawara Nyol ni diamuta wato another time ta then be diamuta. Yes, we know that it's democracy. We know that we all have rights to our opinions. We know that it's a freedom of expression. But Alinkalam Haklo to not. The likes of Mamadou Sabali will never jump and make a conclusion about anything. Memam Koyama. The likes of Mamadou Sabali, the diamu like a more attack, or like a diamu moe, or like a more ma, me alonko, among Koyama. Babala command the cooker, remember UDP gold Nyokuya. Babala command the cooker, me alonko. Abe, Baba Nyokuya. Blabe Esa Fal Mala. UDP gold me chow chow kana fal and call attention. And Sabali was stupid. Among jump on Yama Ake. Sabali even gave a warning. I was right there when he was giving the warning. That ko UDP ko ala mbita Esa Fal Noma. And I UDP ko ala bakal time ta. A fal namo mfa be loading je. Party leader la kota dal mbebe loading je. It was on a Friday afo. Bila dalilo fonye mina sa bita Esa Fal Noma. Nkaya ko niya ke fonye ne support bal moté amal. Bal UDP ko mina ke fanke yoti multi. Men ke fanke know everything. Men ke fanke des intelligence oldi ni amo dawda tik iko tak ni amo dawda bum iko mam bala nga becc jeme ni wole ci kat nanga am mo wole ci njeka sur wala ya fofor la ni ba da sela alon fula ka même fofo Esa Fal have every right to form a political party. Esa Fal have every right to go for the election as a presidential candidate. But mulka même fo wala min duko Esa Fal do ko le commencer. Esa Fal do ko le complete side. O do ko le report of formanta president table kam. Saka se implement. Esa Fal jumping into the arena as a politician about do ko ni compromise. Justice will not be served for the victims. President Barrow me alko wala ta report ni implement la. Amina fola Esa Fal ni report is politically motivated. wala TRC la recommendation is political motivated ande do ko men kala jata kala je duka sa afro ko esa falam politician wala sa be kam fari ya jemega political la sa esa fali ni nyinke political la sa esa fali ni recommendation kan wodi but fine o mala business wot wala UDP le ma wala na backfire ta esa fal kana wuli aka mol wulindi e kata UDP le yaay compinol kan e kata UDP le alpha kan aka foye ko aka bula keba men noma akeba ma ambition so pour Gambia akeba ma any programme so pour Gambia akeba batatale ayante da halal ñine bore esa fal d'accord ñine sabali dimi ñine sabali kamfa namala ya boy sabali fon dalal namala ya boy sabali fon dalal badi Gambia ko ba ñañe de contanda esa fal ko wala mi ko ay ma balol le ma wala sabab bak fayata ay ma balol le ma wala na bak fayata kam ay mo toña may na men toña wala na bak fayata kam ni ala sonda ta farna political career be tiñala jande bala aliari men bala back in the days bilin day one fode jawla be esa fala ko moy la UDP ngol man para ka understand de fode jawla ma fo woli wolam de bala keje jumla aliari men bala bilin day one fode jawla is never satisfied with esa fal Fode Jawla have never trusted Esa Fall. Well, you did people time I understand because Esa Fall don't go get it. Gambino nak no si undi do droka folako muna ne ka the next year sa yar. Gambino no si undi do drop o ka folako muna ne ka next year ndem ala ndi ma famata. But mini tafal to nyabe la so mbadi wodo so ko ta jande is already after midnight here 12:15 a.m. in the Gambia. So now no quarter maybe Europe especially countries like Germany, Finland and Spain. So American call will be so Mbada na Jane, tomorrow we have a big rally in Serakunda. Sunday there will be another big rally in Brikama. So UDP holiday tija. UDP call mo holiday so ñin amuñ ambiance, ñin ci politique bi campagne commencé full time. So back on 24/7 American call bu ale ñewano wala betala bu ni wato sita nabe abe diare wan kambe passo ticket external no jina stay for a little bit. So many namale many misnal misle. Why at the end of the day political be caring do ko wato sita is a do or die, but do or die is not only by mouth but it's by action. Alamuta ko kuma bam folo na banta alamuta ko we know man sort of folo na keta alamuta ko we know na be bible la kato le yenda sorla ay fay we know the bible UDP la monitoring team bayo bolo ko no dudu kasa jata nyol kala fal sonko nyol and so on they working 24/7 on the clock. We have the yellow beret team they are working 24/7 around the clock. We have the student wing, they are working 24 hours around the clock to make sure that this election is free and fair. Where are the other political parties? Where are the other political parties? Are they not going to contest in the presidential election? What's happened to Doi? Oh, you not alone push mu tackle it.
No, leave it.
All push mu tackle it. Equate it, I can do them. You not do them, can do them. People are busy politicking. People are busy gaining or making gaining momentums on things until they are talking about demand Gambino, demand the Gambino. Hey, they go up and all bullet. So if someone told you, look at you, follow around Gambino, Gambino. I wonder when these people are fair. This Mojo political party, they are fair. And by the Gambino goal, in so that Tonya Kitabu Fati, Womuria comedian, or the science on that. Kitabu Fati. In so that real comedian only. Nunton Kafoko Kitabu Mola time of Kitabu is playing game with us. Kitabu is making joke of our pain. But silence of Kitabu is a real comedian. Baumol the campaign of Bankol Cup. Guy maybe do that campaign of Guinea Bissau. Nama Davidalo Guinea Bissau. Maybe he will be the next president in Guinea Bissau. And the Jackal the combining and Molimaka Gelatade. Molbe campaign la Bankol Cup, registration of a kid in the Bankol Cup, Molbe registration of Monitoka, and the Catalo Motokumoka, Guinea Bissau. Guinea Bissau will be finished like Amanakate for Guinea Bissau. But I now know that is a certified comedian. He's a full-time certified comedian. So Kita will commend the Jagal already. So somebody telling me that come to Sukuta meeting tomorrow, Lamin Dabo. Mbading, is this Lamin Dabo of Sukura Dembadu? Can you confirm that? Is this Lamin Dabo of Sukura Dembadu? Now no Sukura Lenta meeting, but I didn't know that it's tomorrow. And tomorrow I have a very, very, very tight schedule. So, but again, tomorrow I have to visit, I'm planning to visit Solo Sanders' wife, Nima, and in Morungom. I hope I'll make it tomorrow. Yeah. So, Mbadi Wolu, Kachaja na Jang, Namra Bayo Blala at the closing remarks. So, I was not expected that I'm going to be here live. So, I just came to see Bayo and I'm not like a live cake up. So, I'm by for doing the live corner. But again, inshallah, Allah ben sawa kala nyila anu alma ala okay. Alma aka njawol solo makila horomodo. Meme ke nyanga wala Gambia be kamfani ne, Gambia no pasitale, Gambia no den doyel si baro, daka bi yepa baro, a fenti jambe okeri. Electricity nte, karambunte, sidolnte, ni sama be mo dew kan say mo be kumbola ko sama filana da Gambia ko la bata wato sita. Mo bebe dew ni ko ni sama na da sidol bu ko soto. So, minimum Gambia, but again, President Barrow can be spending millions of dollars. Aliyamone meme Kerimbia, Ahmad Ba, the Minister of Tourism, and then the Tourism Board, more than $100 million. Ma for dollars, dollars. Wala Mankita, and the Minister of Tourism, and in Kolonyin, Ahmad Ba Bulo Yara $100 million a year for investigation of a Keri. Police la inspector do be ka fa mel landing boja o me alon ko aka UDP ko le target UDP ko be dawda be target ka UDP party ma be dawda o landing boja is involved in a robbery o robbery men kara or Joshua ye naro men ko date or Joshua landing boja an inspector of police la voice recording beji o audio ni do fa ba investigate ka wala hay ñin be taso la killing ema UDP ma tonya kam ema UDP ma because you want tinya ema UDP ko ma because you want tinya but just because you hate them e ko be bale firo keleka be taso la killing be taso la killing so be bari UDP ko be dal na mena one more time an la ñoo ko mosi al na ka ba kilim fa kilinti an na ti ñoye ka fo wara bata wotile patio wara bata wotile be te tara no ku kilimo ka na ideal te clean no. But at the end of the day, do it a bulbala, do it a marara, do it a tema nasamba sukino. Ninkanyo ketan belbe kontana. UDP platform in the diaspora, no competition. Competition mantra ni mo tema. Ndalebe UDP TV and media competition then ni mo tema. Mukabuta fako competition be ni mo tema. Ndra mantra viewership nyinika. Bena party wala sen ben diya kan kado ko kanya party apurka make sure that we win the next election with a landslide. Nima muka UDP TV media dibe nyota online bantaba nima bantaba like nota dula dodo par UDP ko man fisa nyoti ani manyane nyo fisa da nyoti UDP kafol UDP women's lunch UDP ladies corner UDP men's corner UDP mabal kafo di kankilin kafo ni democracy lemba nalma keno al concentrate mo be dame na focus on the bigger picture wala UDP patio na ke ba usone la kuoka diamu meson na bodi ndam mal tema ka fofala nin diamu meson siata je kayro buka jije ka fo nin diamu meson siata je yuruwa buka soro doje nimme ma kero don to go to the other side barka kumo sindi nyama be nyok dal wala be nyok atagal duma nyanta focus la ka mom focus waka fana interdeli badi UDP golo nyamina west la bay election o ani njoka la bay election o wala on belen yoku yara mama happy kono so this is a good example. Let's focus on the bigger picture. UDP masakunda dana ko be siri all the mayors are UDP mayors, all the chairmen are UDP chairmen, and we do come and we have the majority in the National Assembly. From a fialanko is a 75% threshold ni UDP mampari ala tambila ala no mo jawle mi ala ko UDP jamfa ani bilibelo la UDP e be ñol ko common sense parti me londi faye kanyen o parti wala interest yenda wala safla in National Assembly o parti o yenda wala fasa ba fisir wala ñi jawo ya kola balo tay mo fana mo be ñam ñeta mo nguta mo malo jumala min sulu saji mali jumala be sirin fen soka ye place o ni parti o tola an wota kala ko ni ala sonda UDP have learned lessons, very serious lessons are learned, and ni ala sonta very serious betin ne be kala konenke fa député yalemba fa councilor yalemba fa mayor yanin chairman yale UDP be mo tombo na ko daga pour ko yo UDP to la very serious betin ne be kala imani be lonnale e ko moni bante be lonnale. So say même matter da jang wala we going towards the election e be plan ke kana pour que election on yimbay ye ferol sik pour que election on yim postpone ye lockdown ke ye full be kele pour the election on bay balani ala sonda aluna party leader saya ala mala babal la lola the constitution on yim fekele e after 1997 constitution sa mulana ko be mo wo say italia celebrate njambili the draft constitution was defeated ele musole ni sol fa ye tan don ko si yedo sa party kilo la muta nan ko den ako ibe draft constitution o sambal nan ko den because say 1997 constitution me fewo alo nunto italia 1997 constitution ni nata because italia manu 1997 constitution e be loya o sino dabo ban ye fake loya taja wala 1997 constitution ta ya misinterpreted o manna kaje tara loya jo in UK Nottingham wal fanan ya kiskis ya jibe ko 1997 constitution o amal loya dabo ban no ta ban no loya dabo ya loi men lom fa pre so say after the draft constitution o munina because now draft constitution I mean for you have to win 50 plus 1%. If not, we have to go to the second round. So you have to win a killer. Put the UDP, you have a coalition against UDP. Put UDP can have 50 plus 1 shot. So it's too late for them. For the UDP, must have seat up. We are in draft constitution or something. So diaspora for the call. Diaspora man na cut off file. Because I may favor. So I made a favor. You look also sort of. Yalam ko sign in diaspora cut off file. It represents capitalize them into the Senegal, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea-Conakry, Mali, and Mauritania. So I say go for Samana, and that one also is too late for them. My new government can never jump for Colomosina. Can I some ayasing I think about it? When you make a follow me, I do it. And I will look at a sign. But I'm buying Gambian Colo. Falman Minister Mumoje, a lota. Minister Mumo, a lota. Ako, kodo man allocate, itala man kodo allocate, budget ko ne man fen allocate pour AIC. Pour AIC diaspora election on conducted. But the Honorable National Assembly member for Upper Florida West, Sana Jawara, Lotala Ajag, ko, the only money that was not allocated to the IEC, well, the referendum money because election referendum money council. So say could have been allocated to the IEC pour diaspora cut off ale akodole ibo volantara ya tapale ya nyoko ya dom na safaro jere jan Honorable National Assembly member the same individual Sana Jawara ako mo kaye ko minister mo kaye ko Gambians are political prostitute men kala nyamena by election wala be kala national election of non wala be Gambian sangal e ko le di la man boto la nin tulol ba Gambian man boto ba kote ke najila ay safaroke about kodo mi ala ko tala kaya 800 million dollars city ni yemem budget 40 asad pour que Gambia la carte au sang pour que Gambia la carte au sang pour que Gambia la bulu ni be kay fan jawot kande ka jawol dina ni banko ka nja ye momo ni ne ja diatele ya neni hey fente jabe mo neni be mo neni le men ja ani fingin do mbi ke ja ba moy kande Gambia sa do ko nembe je jam nin Gambia men diamu de ja nembe mirja ye momo neni ala boro ko la atale to la diatele wala pataka ke fan jawot every Gambians know what is going on in this country bindere Gambian muso mit na mit banjunu marsol to na be kaccara jiko NPP ko la made na be kaccara nkai ko ay serious about this ko yes kai sai nana UDP ko la ni karala jana nkai ko nana parti ko la ni karala jana na kolal la ni karala jana nkai ko ni mum misir molti ba fo men christian de ba ini ala talla man so tema fa Gambia kata kula ba ay de tok nkai ko do men du Gambia sa do ko from 2017 up to this year nkai fa ma xamu de ba nkai ko do na min to nkai ko kodda dala si million kilin nyanta dum the smallest country on planet Earth, the country with the less population on planet Earth. Ko do men do na Gambia sa do ko ja kodda dal si million kilin nyanta dum ye ko do ndamin to na nyini kan kay ko fana foyte il faut vraiment lo ye ministre moy men ko président la dépasso nyanta kala dala si wuli kemel dala si wuli talul $150,000 tili kilimo kono nkai karo kono million nani wuli kemelulu samo kono $52 million baro ko lodo nkai fomo kala mo ba ka kala mo dal nkai samo president la muso wala fintel jan sun karo kono akatalo man dala ka muru control di mo la pour yake sunte rawon when that force lady should have tell the husband that go ntalla de pas social la farole batale bari ngam yan golo alal nit ñi muso la mata mo la Aliala, what was the last word from this lady's mouth? Olante ke fel ntabe UDP le. E kan toño man ntabe UDP. Mo be toña lonne. Tawunte yalbe kirinja. Fanjaw yalbe kirinja. And the hatred that they have for the United Democratic Party. Mr. Jabana lo da ko. Ya jabe mun na wala fisara ni da marolo. Wo Mr. Jaban kilimo ni wala benta feri tamelo do bi mi ta jaba kunda nda ko bi ni tel tara baro ya ko tege be baro ya ko nyoko wakay wala UDP kilo be kiri yellow color wala kilo be kiri but these people are not doing anything or talking about anything that should have been a concern or importance to Gambians ani bal sa mag important ko daga ka ca kum faja wala min ko alal fanyini ka mi na NPP ngol ibuka fa Gambeno ko al nan kana do koke Alnan kana banko doko alnan kana national development program but it's all about alna domo roke alna domo iko de mal fo modi NPP ko buga maymuda sida be buga fo moy ko alna na do ko ke pour seno yurwa seno lalla yew yurwa maymuda sida buga fo modi ko alnan kam na funding kol mako on premier tala fabu jada buga fo modi ko alnan kam na national development program baloni ñima kinte buga fo modi ko alna NPP pour Gambia ke bete Gambia for Gambians all they tell people is that alna na domo but outside ñi naka fo modi ko president bo be do ko yenyi victime be kilin kolle sukay dahaba Fatou Camara Nogo Njai Modou Ngom solo sanna na muso ka fele ko alna na do mala fi kayro alna president baro ya moto diala ala ko dalo right now ki fodin ko me ka fay Keba Touré men sound UDP ni wato ko every single day baya ni boto je UDP ko leta ni to tara UDP ko leta bile be NPP malon ima khalamuda now they offered that boy a brand new car kodo anika fala koda now NPP can spend millions of dollars on one individual plus NPP but it kodo tala yadi leptano la et kodo tala yadi na Gambia police force la et kodo tala yadi na Gambia prison service la et kodo tala yadi senal la et kodo tala yadi funding ke wala is either ya motol sam wala e mena kala kata individual kilinoma ka $2 million diala ka $5 million diala ka thousands of dollars diala ali ala mu incident na kata ja ni wado ko I don't like to go personal. I don't like to talk about their personal lives, but I like to be kerinja ni NPP alpha la la be kerinja ni NPP moto borondi la bala la be kerinja na men ka kabula wandi musol noma ke ñu sunkurin no le be sambala lojol to e be musol kolle be invite lojol to ñu wara ko dahaba of all people dahaba hey na ko ka talk about politics a personal ko la ñu modol le ko fo ñu sa do la fudu bu ngol fa tay dahaba le muso so ray la mambe ay muso so ray la muso ayo muso lo nombata few days later ayo muso call akako muso invite the next thing I remember for muso ayo muso invite to a lodge ayo muso invite to a lodge for what I invite to a lodge for what wala planete la planete ay sex soto no muso bula ta dama tuddu lodge abi daw da malaka la ay 1000 kilim bonda dia la wala 2000 kilim bonda dia the half of old people and the half ñoo ci yatal de ñu ko beñ def la ñak da half ñoo ci yatal de ye musi ñima musi ñama yelo ñi silo kan do yesol live la moto soto be ko yali njang mo be moto soto silo bu katano so musol man choy soto yibi metal woni silo kan ke wolo ta yeso da lebe dunnale ni muso sol live la ñi silo kan dro ye ñi kelo nombala the next thing they will call you and invite you to a lodge bo de malaya itara lojo ke NPP la moto le tara lojo ni ya ko personnel donc go personnel ni ya do ko donc go personnel ay ni ke muso men na wala o ben jibe kana dis moment a muso ben jibe kana dis moment ana maka da habada bari siaka jata ba janna a ñoo ke ja siaka jata a ñoo ke ja kabula wandi dungo noma kaw samba lojo to o kay lojo la muñu ndeba ko dun lojo ko di next na kay na mo le be mitino la ja ni bo de mitino la be kacalal siaka jata ali law alpha bal ben yalon ko bi am te l'école ko mandi alpha la ko le ko mandi almamol mun tara fenna gambe ko ko la so attaque gambe no le bul is either you love yourself or hate yourself attaque gambe foiro samal kana ko di samal kana Gambia is the only country in this world me alon ko bi direct call ka tra diamul aka jam direct call ki di mo ka tra diamul abu kema ko bala kuru